I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to install apps on this watch. Now, before you can install an app, you need two things. One, you need internet connection. So just make sure you have internet connection. So to do that, go to settings, connections, and make sure you have Wi-Fi connected to your watch. The next thing you need to ensure is you have a Google account attached to your watch. So just go to settings once again. Under settings, scroll down to accounts and backup, tap on that, and make sure you have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you need to add one to your watch. With those two ensured, you can now go to the Google Play Store. Just swipe up to go to the app screen, find the Google Play Store, tap on it, and then here you have some suggestions of apps. Let's go to the top there and tap on the search function, and then let's search for the app we want. So let's say you want to install Strava. Just type the app or the name of the app you want to install, and then tap on this search function here, search icon, and that's going to search for the app. Now, once you find the app, you can tap on the icon to open it up, and you can read more about the app. You can see reviews and all that stuff. But then at the top, you'll see install. So tap on that. And that's going to start installing the app onto your watch. So just wait for the download and install process to finish. Once that is done, you can now launch the app. And then of course it's going to ask you to sign in on phone. So with your phone close by, if you tap on sign in on phone, it's going to open either a browser or the Strava app. If it opens a browser, then just log in with your Strava account. So just put in your Strava details, username and password, and then accept the terms of service and login. Now let's try and authorize Wear OS, which is the app of the watch, to connect to Strava. So it's going to view a complete Strava profile, upload the activities from Wear OS app to Strava. That basically means your activities from your watch, or rather recorded on your watch, are going to be uploaded to Strava. And then we have the option to authorize this. So you can uncheck what you don't want, but then I want everything on there. So I'll just tap on authorize. You're basically giving your watch permission to write on Strava. So let's go ahead and tap on allow. And that's it. You've now installed and set up Strava on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let's try and find it now. From now on, whenever you want to launch Strava, you can just launch it from here. Okay, so that is basically how to install and set up an app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.